Welcome back, children. So let's continue with example. In the last video module we have discussed certain things or the points which we need to remember while writing a letter of order, that is placing an order. So now here we will go ahead with one example that how to write. Because due to the lack of space I could not write here each and everything. So only content I wrote, content. So now you understand. First, as usual, address will come. Here sender's address, then date and receiver's address. Here children, once again I will repeat, after sender's address one line space, after date one line space, receiver's address also space, and sender's address it will consume 2 to 3 lines, date one line, after one line space, receiver's address it will also consume take 2 to 3 lines. Now coming to the subject, what is the subject which I took here for the discussion? Now placing an order for musical instruments. As a musical teacher, we are placing an order for certain equipments. In different equipments, 5 to 6 or 8 to 10 equipments, we are placing an order. This is our subject. And as I told you, our subject, it should be in short but meaningful. Here, looking at the subjects, one can understand that it is about musical instruments. Clear? Coming to the next one, salutation we have mentioned here. Dear sir, dear ma'am, or sir, madam, whatever. Next, now here comes our first para, introduction. In introduction, as usual, main theme or the topic, introduction of your topic you will do. Here we have started in this way, that through this letter of mine, we wish to place an order for musical instruments. Instruments I wrote in short here, abbreviation, so you understand. So through this letter, I would like to place an order, or you can say that, for instance, you consider that before writing this letter, you have come across with an advertisement in the newspaper. So with the help of that advertisement you are writing. So you can also give the reference of that advertisement, the name of the newspaper and the date on which it was published in the newspaper. Clear? Now coming to this one. So this is the introductory paragraph, that we wish to place an order for musical instruments for our school. The list of the items is as follows, or it is given here below. So this is the first para. Now in the second para, or the main body content of your letter, you will mention the list here. Here I have mentioned only 2. Due to the space problem I have mentioned only 2. You will mention 5 to 6, 7 you will mention here. So you can make columns different in your box here. First serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. Next one, name of the atom. We are placing the order of musical instruments here. So name of the musical instruments, I wrote in short musical instruments. Only I have mentioned here 2, sitar or drums. You can mention any other. For example, harmonium is there, violin is there, or electronic gadget or electronic guitar is there. So 5 to 6 that you can mention. Increase the numbers here. This is second column. Now the next one is quantity. You want sitar 8, drums 6, electronic guitar 10, 5, whatever that you will mention here, and you will make a box. Clear? You will keep it in a box. 5 to 6 atoms or 7, 8 atoms that you can include here. If you are writing about the books, name of the books. Next, one more column you will make author's name. Clear? It means one more column will increase here. Author's name, then quantity. And if you want approximate price, if you want, then you can mention here. So it is possible sometimes 4 to 5 columns here in this box. So list of the items you will give 5 to 6 more than that. Now after this box, the next line that you can mention, that we request you to furnish the details. In polite language, as I told you, that you will conclude your letter in a polite manner. So we request you to furnish the details of the discount offered to educational institutions. Institutions I wrote in short here. So you can ask for the discount also, whichever the discounts that they used to offer to the educational institutions, students or anything, that you can clearly mention. And also the mode of the payment. And one more thing, in some letters you can also mention in this mode of the payment that the payment will be done or the payment will be made online payment, check or card after receiving the consignment. Am I clear? You can, as per your wish, that you can refer here that the payment will be made after receiving the consignments, and if it is found okay, then it will be done. And if we found any defect in the consignment or the items, the order will be returned. The whole order or all the items will be returned to you without any payment. You can clearly mention here whatever your criteria, whatever you want to say. Clearly that you can mention here about the payment. And one more thing, last line, I hope you will deliver the goods by the end of this and this date or month. If you want, you can mention here, I hope that you will deliver the goods or this consignment at this and this address, for example school address, home address, residence address, and then by this and this date, or by the end of November, by the end of October or March, April, whatever, 2020, that you can clearly mention. And if it is in school or the office, that you will mention that I hope that you will deliver the consignment or this and this order at this and this address, school address you can give between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. or 2 p.m. whatever your time also you can mention if you want. If you are asking to deliver it at the school address, office address, then you can mention here. And later on, finally, as usual, what will you mention there? Hoping for an early response for the prompt action, quick response from your end, from your side. Then finally, this side, thanking you, yours. What will you mention? Yours sincerely, yours truly, and your name. Here I have not mentioned, but you mentioned clearly here. So the format is same almost everywhere. Only there is a change in the body of the letter. Content of the letter, there is a change. Nothing else. It is easy one for you. So here in detail we have discussed the introduction, general things in the previous module. Now with example we have learned. And if you are writing for the sports equipments, here also that you will mention sports equipments. Name of the sports, for example hockey sticks, cricket kits, tennis balls or the balls. Here that you will mention clearly. As a sports teacher or the in charge of the sports department, if you are placing an order, clearly the same columns that you can make, that quantity, each and everything, serial number, name of the items or the goods, and you will complete the letter. So children, in this way we have discussed here thoroughly this letter, placing an orders, how to write, format, each and everything. I hope you might have understood the things clearly. We will stop here.